Experiencing issues with your Spectrum Mobile 5G? You're not alone. Many users encounter the dreaded 5G not working error. This often boils down to three key factors: APN settings, frequency band compatibility, and coverage limitations. First, let's talk APN. The access point name acts as the gateway for your device to connect to Spectrum's network. If it's misconfigured, you'll struggle to get data even with a strong 5G signal. The default APN is Internet, but sometimes manual entry is needed, especially after software updates. Next, consider frequency bands. Spectrum Mobile primarily uses Verizon's sub-6 GHz bands like N78 3.5 GHz and N77 3.7 GHz for its 5G nationwide network. Older phones might only support 4G LTE on these bands. Finally, coverage depends on Spectrum's deployment strategy, prioritizing populated areas. Signal strength is crucial. Aim for -70 or better for optimal performance. According to a 2025 survey, 22% of Spectrum Mobile users report 5G connectivity problems monthly. Don't worry, most can be resolved with simple fixes. All right, let's get to fixing your 5G connection. Start with the basics. Restart your device. It's simple, but often effective. Next, verify your APN settings. On Android, navigate to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network Advanced Access Point Names. On iOS, the path is similar. Ensure your APN is set to Internet with no username or password. If issues persist, try manually entering the APN. Then check your phone's supported frequency bands using apps like Network Cell Info or your phone's manufacturer specifications. Ensure your device supports the N78 and N77 bands for Spectrum's 5G. If not, you may be limited to 4G LTE. Finally, assess your coverage. Use the Spectrum Coverage Checker or apps like Ookla Speed Test to verify signal strength. Try relocating to higher ground or avoiding obstructions. Toggling airplane mode can also force a reconnection. If you are still having issues, contact Spectrum support for a SIM card swap or network reset. Remember the urban rollout success in Denver, 2024-2025, where manual APN reconfiguration resolved connectivity for 80% of affected subscribers. With these troubleshooting steps, you'll be well on your way to enjoying seamless 5G connectivity.